this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have a box in front of me from Viceroy, Switzerland. This is luxury jewelry for men. Could be in this case bracelet, chain, whatever you want. They have a very high quality original jewelry. European brand, Swiss brand. So let's see the box. Beautiful looking box you can see here. Let me open this one to show you. Here we go. We have a lovely looking bracelet for man in this case. Let's see what we have more in the box. We have some wrapping pack, so if you want to give as a gift you can pack with this one. Lovely, and nothing else. You can see here this is Viceroy V. This is also Antonio Banderas. He adds for this company as well. So lovely. Here we go. Look at this, guys. This is premium bracelet. Here I have one normal Chinese, but this one is premium quality. It's all about quality. Swiss bracelet. You can see here Viceroy or Viceroy. You can pronounce different way. Look at the leather quality, genuine leather, no resin in this case. Look at the knot here, beautiful knot. We have two sides, you see, golden, deep gold color with the black shiny. Okay, back side you here see the lock. Very elegant premium jewelry from Viceroy. Let me take this off. Here we go. Beautiful. Wow. I use a lot of bracelet, premium quality, also cheap budget one, but this is premium. You want to spend good amount of money, 70, 80, 100 euros. So you can buy this one. They have also more expensive, but really premium, high quality bracelet. Put this one, for example, together with the normal and lock it, for example, from the top. This and close it all. Close it off with the sound. You see how beautiful it is. You look $1 million piece on your hand. Increase your personality. Wow, beautiful. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.